All right, Ola, if you missed today is Wednesday, December 2nd, the morning portion, periods 1, 2, or 5. I want to give you a quick video overview of what we did and just kind of highlight the most important pieces. So the way we started off was this paragraph about Matteo, and the students had to, in Pear Deck, write some things down in English that they can figure out about Matteo, like his age, 13, where he lives, Lima, the capital of Peru, the fact that he's nice, honest, athletic, slim, the green eyes, liking swimming in the summer, skiing in the winter, favorite season being fall, because his birthday is December 6th. I'm sorry, November 6th. We then reviewed the question, ¿Cómo eres tú? ¿Cómo eres tú is what are you like as a person? That's your personality or your physical description. And you would answer that with yo soy and some adjectives, making sure your adjectives agree with your gender. This is where we reviewed again the pronouns because we had to take them a step further. So I was looking to ensure we all knew what the pronouns were. So I equals yo, you friendly, tú, he, él, she, ella, you formal, usted, we nosotros, you all friendly in Spain, vosotros, they masculine, ellos, they feminine, ellas, and you all formal, ustedes. So students filled those in. Okay, this is where it started to get a little trickier. I discussed the fact that we're going to use this verb ser to describe people. Ser translates as to be. It's what's known as a verb infinitive. These actually exist in English too, we just don't really even ever consider it. If a verb is in its infinitive form, it doesn't agree with anyone doing the action. It just means to do the action. So ser is to be, a rather passive action. I share that correr is an example of a verb infinitive that we've learned because correr means to run. It doesn't mean I run, you run, we run. It's only to run. I cannot say yo correr and think that I'm saying I run. That would be I to run. So then we talked about what other verb infinitives can you think of? And students created a list of things like montar, to ride, monopatinar, to skateboard, bailar, to dance, cantar, to sing, comer, to eat, dibujar, to draw. Many of those were just examples of verb infinitives. So an infinitive is going to be a buzzword that we need to know. Adding to the complexity, I talked about the fact that when you want to use a verb in conjunction, in coordination with a pronoun, a person, you need to do what's called conjugate the verb. Conjugation means changing the form of the verb to agree with whoever is doing the action. We do this in English, but we do this automatically because for most of us, English is our native language. For example, we wouldn't say I be. I don't say I be Senora Weiss. You be Lucas. He be Adam. She be Ava. That just doesn't happen like that. We know we need to change it from to be to I am Senora Weiss. You are Maddie. He is Sam. She is Ella, or whatever. So, what we were doing was talking about verb infinitives, the verb in the original form, meaning to do the action, versus the conjugated form where it agrees with the subject. We then started to generate the verb forms, and here they are. Oh, there was a video to watch. We're not going to do that right now. Oh, please stop. Okay, sorry about that. We watched a short video from a guy who just further explained the infinitive and the conjugation, just offering a different perspective than my own. So this is like the master chart. So this is why we've been organizing pronouns into a chart, so that we can pair them up with verb forms. So at the top in black is my verb infinitive, ser, meaning to be. In red are our pronouns that we've been working with. In blue are the different conjugated forms of ser. So if I pair up yo soy, I now mean I am. We've already been using that, but soy derives from ser. To eres, you are, like como eres tú, how are you? Él es, she is, ella es, él es, he is, ella es, she is, usted es, you are. So es changes its translation from is to are based on who you're talking about. So these three share a verb form. That's why we've been putting them in the same box. Nosotros somos, we are. Vosotros sois, you all are. Ellos son, they are. Ellas son, they are. Ustedes son, you all are. So we talked about how this chart functions. We didn't do that slide. Then we did a little multiple choice and pair deck. I'm sorry, I'm moving too fast. If you want to say they are, that's ellos or ellas son. You formal are. Why is that going crazy? Usted es. We are. Nosotros somos. So we just worked a whole lot with this chart. Then we tried to put it all together and translate some of my sentences in purple. So he is shy. Él es tímido. We are nice. Nosotros somos simpáticos. They, female, are blonde. Ellas son rubias. You, friendly, masculine, are athletic. Tú eres atlético. You all, friendly in Spain, are young. Vosotros sois jóvenes. So it was a lot at once, and we're going to definitely keep working on this. But this video might be helpful to you to put you on the same page as some of your classmates. Let me know if you have questions.